Every business is striving to acquire and retain new customers. To achieve this goal, you need to know the answer to an important question. What do I need to do so people buy my product instead of any other? Today, if people want to find out information, they go straight to the internet. Research shows that 90% of customers use online searches while researching products or services, and 78% of the buying decisions is influenced by the recommendations from their peers, while only a mere 14% trust ads. So where are your customers researching, interacting and making all their buying decisions? Well, let me give you a few clues. Google has over 200 million lookups every single day. With over 6 billion lookups every month, people are certainly looking up the products or services here. 83% of all companies use Facebook. It has over 700 million users. 50% of active users log into the site every day and post 60 million status updates every day. YouTube is the second largest search engine on the web, only surpassed by Google, and the fourth most visited site on the internet. You may have a customer looking for your products online right now. Who will you find? You or your competitor? Social media marketing is not about marketing. It's about finding new customers and building relationships with existing and potential customers, which in turn will improve your turnover and bottom line. The internet has revolutionized and continues to profoundly affect the way one does business. It is now a critical tool and venue for conducting business, no matter what kind of business you are into. As a tool, it allows you unlimited access to potential customers. As a venue, it does away with the limits of geography, the time zones, and in some cases the need for a physical office. The key question you need to ask yourself is, do you have a presence online? Is your business easy to find online? Are you active in all the places where your target customers hang out? Do you have an easy automated way to follow up with them over time? At AnyByte, we will set up your online presence by creating a professionally designed website of the latest international standards and having features such as an option to update your site content as required, thus ensuring your content remains fresh and current. Also, search engine optimization on your site will ensure your website is listed ahead of the rest, enabling your customers to find you before your competition. The robust analytics that will be built into your site will allow you to get regular and detailed reports on various important aspects like the geographical locations your website is attracting traffic from, the time spent on the website by the users, the pages they visit, etc., which will allow you to maximize your website to achieve your business goals. Social media has brought in a fundamental shift in the way people communicate. Businesses are now reaching out to customers on social media even before they could reach out for businesses. With a customized page for your business on Facebook, you will also be able to build your brand identity online and continuously remain on top of your customers' minds. This will allow you to penetrate the market effectively by building relationships with current and prospective customers online with absolutely no cost investment. To top it all, we will build you a personalized, dynamic corporate profile with the latest in animation and technology to ensure it makes the impact you need. 3D video demonstrations of your products or services that explain and sell them 24 hours a day all over the world is an essential marketing tool with far-reaching benefits. In today's digital world, are you equipped to carry your business into the future? Feel free to reach out to us at the following numbers. Make your business future ready.